Good morning to all. So today's topic is the quiz about past tense. Okay. See, let us see. Quiz number 3. Choose the correct form of the past tense form. Means in all the questions we need to choose only past tense form. Okay. First one. She dashed the street. What is the verb given here? Cross. We have to choose the past tense one. She dashed the street means here if we choose this one, this is not the correct one because the spelling is wrong here. Okay? And crosses means it comes under present tense. It is not past one. So this one is the past tense. And what is the V second form of cross? Cross. Okay, this is the correct answer. She crossed the street. Okay? Next one. She dashed her hair. Here brush is given. In past tense, what is the V second form of brush? It is brushed. Okay? This one is wrong because this is present and this one is wrong spelling. Okay? So this one is the answer. Next. She dashed the groceries. What is the answer? When there is consonant plus y, we replace y with I and then add ed to it. It becomes V second form. So B is the correct answer. Okay? She carried the groceries. Next, he dashed on the neighbors. Here, what is the V second form of spy? So which one is the correct answer? Spied and spice. So A is the correct answer. It is spy. Next, she dashed worry about her kids. What is the past form of this worry? Worried. The same way consonant plus y. When consonant plus y is there, then y is replaced with I and added ed to it. Then it becomes V second form of the given verb form. Next. So this one is the correct answer for that. Next, sixth one. We dashed sports. We enjoyed. Here see. Oval plus y. When oval plus y is there, no need to replace y and all. Just we need to add ed to it, then it becomes v2. Okay? So this one is the correct answer, B. Next, seventh one. He dashed over a rock. Trip. It is a single syllable verb. Okay? For single syllable verbs we use just we double the last consonant. Tripped will be the answer. So tripped. B is the answer. Okay? Next. Eighth one. I dashed learn English at school. See, what is the V second form we have to use? Because all the questions are of past tense. So, learn is the correct answer. Okay? L-E-A-R-N-E-D. Learned. Learning is present participle. Means ing form is there and this is a wrong spelling. Okay? E-D should be added here. Not simply D. If it is added D only, then it is wrong. So, this one is the correct answer. Next. He cooked dinner for me. He cooked dinner for me. Here there is no y and also no need of I. So this is the correct answer, B. Okay. Next, I dip my feet in the water. I dipped. Okay, dip is single syllable, so we have to double the consonant. So I dipped my feet in the water. Next, look at the fourth quiz. Directions are given, choose the correct answer. Means out of them we have to choose a suitable word. Okay, suitable verb form which is the most appropriate one. See, first one. He dashed to school. He visited to school, that is wrong because if visited is used, then we need to use this preposition to. He visited school, then it is correct. But he walked to school, this is the most appropriate one. So what is the correct answer? He walked to school. Okay. Next, we dashed a horror movie. We talked a horror movie. That is blunder mistake, means it is wrong. And we watched a horror movie. This is the correct one. Okay. Next, third one. The cat dashed with yarn. What is the correct answer? Look at the spelling. So this one is the correct. The cat played with yarn. Next. She dashed her mom before bed. She pushed. So it is wrong. Okay. She kissed her mom before bed. This is the correct one. Next, if you observe, all the sentences are in simple past. Yes sir? Next, he dashed all of the ingredients. Means he helped all of the ingredients. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. So he mixed all of the ingredients. Next, sixth one. She dashed the salad right before serving dinner. She pushed the salad, so it doesn't make any sense. So she tossed the salad, it also doesn't make any sense. Actually, there should be one more option like mixed or like whatever it is, okay? So just leave this question because there should be one more option. Next, seventh one. The cook dashed the chicken in hot oil. The cook fried the chicken in hot oil. Okay? Next. He dashed other kids at school. He bullied. This is the correct one. Okay? Bullied other kids at school. Means he always pokes or make fighting with other kids. Okay? Next. She dashed water or insult water. Ninth one. She dashed water on the plants. She sprayed. This one is the correct one because oval plus y only ed should be on it. Sprayed water on the plants. Okay, fourth page is finished. Now look at the fifth one. Directions are given. What are the directions? Select the correct sentence. So we need to select the correct sentence now. First one. There are in each question there are two sentences are given. Out of the two sentences, we need to select the correct one which is grammatically perfect. Okay? I am going to stay home last night. See here, if you look at this sentence, I am going to stay means you are going to stay means you will stay. This action indicates future. But here what is the time means time factor or time sense is given? Last night. This indicates past. So this sentence is wrong because this indicates future and the time is given in the past. So this is wrong. I stayed home last night. See, I stayed home means it is the sentence I stayed home indicates past and the time is also past. So which is the correct one? B is the correct one and A is wrong. Next, second, I am going to eat dinner in 30 minutes. I eating dinner in 30 minutes. See here, I eating dinner. Is there any structure like this? Subject plus verb, inform plus object? No. See, if we use here I am eating dinner, then the structure, grammatical structure is correct. So this is the wrong one. Otherwise, one more thing. I am going to eat means I will eat dinner. Okay? In 30 minutes means this is the future time. Means this time indicates future and this sentence also indicates future. So this is a correct one. A is a correct one. Okay? Next. Third one. I will ride the bus to work every day next week. Okay. Look at the second one. I ride the bus to work every day next week. See, now tell me which is the correct sentence here. If you look at the two sentences, grammatical structure is perfect. See here, I plus Vilashya plus V1 plus object. So this indicates simple future. And next, I plus V1 plus object. So this indicates simple present. And next, look at the time sense now. Every day, next week. Next week means it indicates future. And every day, next week, it indicates future. But here, the structure is simple present and time sense is future. So this one is wrong. And this is the correct one. Okay? It will become the habit for him from next week. So this is the correct one. Understand? Next, fourth one. I will be in 10th grade last year. I was in 10th grade last year. Easy, right? So what is the correct one? This one, because last year is past and was indicates past tense. Will be means future and it is past. So this is wrong. B is the correct answer. Next, fifth one. I am going to travel around the world next year. Next, I traveled around the world next year. Which one is correct? See, I am going to travel means in future I will travel. Means in future I will travel around the world, and time here next year means it indicates future. Look at the second one. I travel means it is already over. Means this sentence indicates past tense. But here what is the time sense given? Future. So this is wrong. And A is the correct answer. Okay? Next. Quiz 6. Quiz number 6. Directions are given. Choose the correct answer. See, look at the first question. There are two persons talking to each other, and here one blank is given. In the blank, you need to choose the appropriate answer. Which one is correct? Okay? See, first one. Person A is talking. Are you going to write a book? Means he asked one question. What is that? Are you going to write a book? Means will you write a book in future? Okay? And person B said, yes, I Josh a book. So look at the sentences. Yes, I am going to write a book. Yes, I is going to write a book. Yes, I am not going to write a book. So which one is correct? Here he asked, are you going to write a book? Means तुम book लिखेंगे क्या? Like that. Okay? And he said, yes, I will write the book. It means this answer is positive one because he said yes. So when there is S is there, the answer must be positive. And if you look, there are two positive sentences. Yes or no? Now this one is negative, so this one is eliminated. There are two positive sentences. And what is the helping verb we use when the subject is I? We use is or am. Am? Yes or no? So this one is wrong, and the correct answer is A. Yes, I am going to write a book. Next, second one. Person A, will you help me? Person B says, yes, I dash you. Yes means positive sentence. So negative sentence is wrong. And the question is in simple future. Will you help me? Will is the sub means helping verb which we use in simple future. So the answer will be also in simple future. Yes, I will help you. Which is the answer now? Which is the correct answer? B. Okay, this is the correct answer. Next, third one. Person A, are you going to buy that house? He asked, are you going to buy that house? And person B said, no, I dashed that house. Here the answer is negative, no. So we need to choose the negative sentence, not the positive one. No. Are you going to buy that house means no, I am not going to buy that house. So what is the answer here? I am not going to buy that house. We cannot say I are not because I is first person singular. We must use helping verb am. So B is the correct answer here. Okay. Next, fourth one. Person A, will you dance with me? Will you dance with me? And person B said no. I will not dance with you. That is the correct answer. Where is that? What is I will not dance with you? So this one is the correct one. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next, fifth question. Are you going to visit your friend? Means he asked one question that are you going to visit your friend? And he said, person B said, no, I am not going to visit my friend because the answer is negative. You cannot use the positive sentence. So positive sentence will be removed. And there are two negative sentences. And if you use will not, this is the wrong one. What is the shortened form of will not? It is won't. But here will not is given. So this one is wrong. And which is the correct answer now? I am not going to visit my friend. Okay. Next, quiz number 7. There are directions given. Choose the correct answer.